Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to create multiple Facebook accounts without disable issue. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. For this one, you have to open any browser. Open google.com. Here you have to type temp mail. And then here you will see first site. Click on it. And now you have to wait. Here you can see loading. Here this site will generate an automated email. Click on copy. Minimize this one. Open Facebook. Now you have to create a new account. Choose your name. Click on next. Choose your date of birth. Click on next. Select your gender. Click on next. Now here it will ask you phone number. You have to click on sign up with email. Now you have to paste the copied email address. Click on next. Choose your password. Now Facebook will send a verification code to the temporary email. Go to the site again. Scroll down. And here you can see Facebook registration code. You have to note down this code. Type the code. Click on confirm. You can see your account has been confirmed. Now how you have to secure your account so that Facebook cannot disable your account. You have to add your profile picture, cover photo, each and everything so that your account will not be disabled. Now you have to click on these three lines. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down. Here you will see followers and public content. Click on it. Now you have to make your account public so Facebook will not disable your account. Who can follow me? Make it public. Second option, who can see your followers? Make it public. Third option, public post comments. Make it public. Fourth option, public post notification. Click on everyone. Fifth and the last option, public profile information. Make it public. So once you will make all these changes, your account will not be disabled. Now I'll show you how you can create the next account. You have to go to the same site again and you have to refresh this page. Now you will get another temporary email address. Copy this one and you can create another Facebook account. So update your Facebook profile. This is how you can create as many Facebook account as you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.